Hi, how are you? Today I wanna compare Facit TP1 and then Facit TP2. This is for the manual for TP1. This one for TP2. The size is different, right? Yeah. TP1 manual more detailed, more pagey, but TP2 manual is very simple. Look at this. Okay, first let's look at what is different. Okay, I read some review both for the both typewriter. Someone said this is a little bit heavier than this one, but when I weigh by hand, I don't think so. It's very close or little bit more heavy. For me, this one is a little bit more heavier, so I'm not sure. So I say the same. The appearance, it's different, right? The Facit one, the name brand in the center, the TP2, the left side, right? And then the another main difference is this housing body. This is a very stiff angle, right? But this one, not that kind of. This is like no angle, but this one is very the angled. This one is a little bit more round. Okay. The carriage rock, same thing. The ribbon choice color, same thing. And then all keys exactly same. But from here to the key, there is a space. This one is more wider. This is very hard to put in there, but this one is easily go there, right? So this is a little different. And then this knob is different, right? This is the plastic. Okay, but this one is like looks like a detached to the carriage. I mean the pattern. And then around here, this is a very hard plastic here, but there is no that kind of thing. And then the paper holder or paper support, they like this. Both sides we can raise up like this, but this one just one button, one side, right side, right? So like this, just right side we have the holder, but left side no holder. Okay, and then the line space lever, this one is a little bit like round, curved, but this is very straight. See? Yeah. And then this margin setup, margin stop, the shape is different, right? This one is TP2. Okay. And then this one, like this, right? It's a paper release, and then this one hold like that. You can do that like this, right? But this is TP1, right? And then they changed the design here also, like this one, like this, and then like this, and then you hold like a little bit like this. So inside there is another metal holder, not here inside, right? But TP1, the main, there is a main frame attached to main frame, not inside. But TP2 is a separate, the inside, right? That's the another different. Okay. Okay. And then also that's like for variable line space, right? This is also a little bit rounded, but this one is a little bit like a flat here, crossed flat. Yeah, that's the just different appearance and design. Also, this cover inside a little bit different. Let me see. There is like this end of this. There's a hole, right? Like a holder. So that means they have like this stuff. So we can easily use that kind of thing here. First, you can put the like this. You can use that, right? And then okay, but the TP2 just that's flat. No, that kind of a hook. It's a flat. The end of this side, it's a flat. So that's the difference compared to TP2, and then this one there is a hook, right? So I like the TP1 version of the curve hook, more sturdy and then more how can I say, easy to put back. Okay, and then everything looks like the same. It's touch control. This one has the touch control. Okay, now let's look at the serial number. Okay. This one is TP1. I think it's 1961, manufactured in 1961. 278776, right? This is P 49466, right? 36 or 66? 66. According to the typewriter database, it was manufactured 1966. That's the different. And then let's the bottom. Bottom is also different. Okay. Yes. It's TP1. There is a outside the kind of feed, right? Whole thing. But TP2, they put the same level here, and then put the feed like for a small feed like this. But TP1, they are whole cover like this, whole like this. That's the another different. And then for this is a little bit smaller, This one is a little bit bigger hole. So I already looked at the Facit 1620. This is a good idea because sometimes this is for the space bar for the escapement. It's if we bent it a little bit outside, then doesn't work. So that's why we need like this kind of shape. This is a good idea for the escape movement. But this one, I think there is no that kind of, that means there is more space inside from the that kind of lever or connection lever. But this one, we consider this one, okay? And then, yeah, I like this bottom better instead of this one, okay? But this idea is, I think this is a better idea, okay? My experience, this Facit typewriter has a very different, I think they use the different material for the ribbon spool function around here, because I found a lot of the Facit typewriter has the problem, the ribbon spool turning, and then also the carriage movement. So their material a little bit different. That's why they stock or dry only the oil, so they make a problem. And then let's see some sample of the typing. Both typewriter, the same typeface, cursive typeface, but different is this one is 10 character per inch. This one is 12 character per inch, I guess. Let's see, okay? Very smooth, the carriage. That's from the TP1. Okay, I use this paper for the TP2 for the compare the typeface. Okay, this is a TP2. The up one from the TP1, bottom one from the TP2. Yeah, the type space is same cursive, but the upper one is like 10 character per inch. The bottom one, I think, is 12 character per inch. So that's the difference. And then I feel this one is more the soft and then better. This one is a little bit hard to hit. And then I think one of the reason is this spool. It's a little bit hard to move inside this spool. But except this one, and then other two, this one is good for the movement. But especially this one, it's very related with the touch, feeling of the touch, because it's hard. It's very hard to hit the keys. I think that's another reason. Anyway, yeah, it's a beautiful typeface, but little bit dirty ink, and then I made the typo. Not okay. Yeah. All right. Thank you for watching.